Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another epic product showdown. Today we're putting two Sky Warriors head-to-head. The DROCON drone on the left and the Techwonderz drone with camera on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The DROCON drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $109, while the Techwonderz drone is priced at $129. So if you're tighter than a drum with your budget, DROCON's already got one foot in the door. But hey, sometimes you gotta splash a little cash for that extra pizzazz. Let's dive deeper. Alright, camera buffs, this one's for you. Both drones boast 1080p HD cameras, but DROCON gives you a 90 degrees manual adjustment. That's right, you gotta get your hands dirty. Meanwhile, Techwonderz also offers 90 degrees rotation, but throws in a dual camera setup just for kicks. And did I mention it has a 50x zoom? Yeah, you could probably spot your neighbor's cat from a mile away. Reviews highlight that Techwonderz's camera quality is impressive and perfect for capturing high-quality images. Now, let's talk ease of use. DROCON is like that friend who always has your back. It comes with headless mode, one key start land, and 3 speeds to suit beginners and pros alike. Plus, it's got an emergency stop feature, just in case you decide to play chicken with a tree. Reviewers appreciate DROCON for its user-friendliness, especially for children and beginners. On the other hand, Techwonderz is like the cool kid on the block. It's got optical flow positioning, altitude hold mode, and even a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. That's right, it dodges obstacles like a pro parkour athlete. So if you're clumsy like me, Techwonderz might just save you a ton of heartache. Flight time, folks. DROCON offers you 2 batteries for a total of 24 minutes of flight. Not bad, huh? But wait. Techwonderz laughs in the face of 24 minutes with its whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's nearly an hour of pretending you're a pilot. Reviewers are particularly impressed with Techwonderz's extended battery life, making it a favorite for longer sessions. Special features, because who doesn't love a good gimmick? DROCON comes with gesture recognition, voice control, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, and 360-degree flips. It's like a circus act in the sky. On the flip side, Techwonderz has waypoint functions, follow me mode, and some more 360 degrees flips. Plus, it can take AV or palm gesture to snap photos. It's basically a flying Instagram boyfriend. Reviewers love the innovative features of both drones, but Techwonderz's Follow Me mode stands out. Last but not least, portability. DROCON is foldable and weighs less than 249 grams, making it lighter than your average burrito. It even comes with a fancy suitcase so you can travel in style. Techwonderz didn't specify a weight, but it does look pretty compact. Reviewers appreciate DROCON's lightweight and portability, making it an excellent travel companion. Overall, reviewers appreciate the DROCON drone for its affordability, ease of use, and portability, making it a great choice for beginners and children. On the other hand, Techwonderz drone with camera is praised for its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and longer flight time, making it ideal for more serious drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The DROCON drone is a budget-friendly, easy-to-carry option with some cool features, while the Techwonderz drone offers longer flight time, more advanced tech, and a second camera to boot. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buy Smart for more hilarious and insightful product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying! Product links are in the description.